To install Android Studio on your Windows 10, we need to first download Android Studio X file. On your browser, type download Android Studio. Then hit enter. Here you will get many options, but click on the latest SDK version. Now we enter the Android Studio website. Click on download Android Studio. Now check it and click on the download Android Studio for Windows. Click on keep. Keyboard command Ctrl+J. Press this both button at a time to see the download file. So once this executed file download, click on this executed file. First you click yes to give the permission. So here on this first window, click on the next button. Here also default, click on next. And this is the location where you want to install. If you don't change, click on next. Here you just need to click install button. It takes some time to installation. Now we can see the setup was completed. At this moment, click on next button, then finish. Now the first time Android Studio start, I suggest choose second option, then click OK. At this moment, click on don't send. Now click on next. Here I suggest for new user select standard option, then click on next. Again click on next. Setup finished. It takes some time to installation, then finish. Here we gonna configure our Android Studio before we creating any project. So click on configure. Click on SDK manager. Now click on SDK tools and select all the options. Then click on OK button. OK. Now click accept. Then click on next button. It takes some time to download all the file. Again click on next. Now click on finish. OK. For the first time I am going to create any project. Go to file option and take new project. Here we get the all feature. Phone and tablet for Wear operating system, Android TV, automotive, Android things. So we gonna develop our first project for phone and tablet. So click on phone and tablet option. At the first time we gonna test. So take an empty activity feature. Here at the top give any name. For an example, I am going to give our project name first project and the package name is default. You can change the location where project will be saved and you must select which language you want to develop. I want to develop Java, so I select Java. You can also minimum the SDK, then click on finish. Finally, the first time Android Studio creating a project. You can see the activity XML file. We can see the activity XML window, design view, spill or see only the code. Now we will run our project. System display ACE-XAMPP is not installed. So first we need to install the ACE-XAMPP. Now click on AVD Manager. After that click on create virtual device. Now you take any feature from here. Then click next. Now download a system image. Accept, then click next. It takes some time to load. Done. Then click finish. But it still says ACE-XAMPP is not installed. So click on install HAXGM. It recommended 2 GB. You can increase. Then click on next. It takes some time to installation. Done. Then click on finish. Here you can choose portrait or landscape. I choose portrait. Then click finish. As we can see, a new features add here. Now again we run our project. You can see our project run perfectly. In the next video we will see how can we design and configure the features. So stay with us, keep learning, have a nice day.